are a confident 3D modeling app user and don't want to stop in your development, then Selfcad is totally your best choice. Selfcad online app is well known for its modeling easiness and tools. Moreover, if you want to make your first step in 3D modeling, then Selfcad can offer you all needed tools and functions and support you from the first tiny model to your own character or cartoon. The app interface is easy to learn and intuitive, with a wide range of possibilities and unstoppable updates and improvements that are designed for your comfortable usage. If you use all the functionality that Selfcad prepared for you, you'll find that every tool and feature was developed to make your modeling process easier and more exciting, so you can fully concentrate on your imagination and creativity. There is a drawing section that opens ways in which your imagination can create perfect lines and fantastic forms. You also can combine two powerful tools, such as 3D Sketch and Cut with Profile, and make peerless cutouts and patterns. One of the Selfcad multifunctional tools is the Follow Pass. It allows you to create or duplicate complex contours and ornaments in needed form or structure in just a few clicks. The Image to 3D tool gives you unbelievable and revolutionary possibility to convert a simple 2D image into an amazing, voluminous object. Do you remember the time when you were a child and was making figures and models from a simple clay? How much joy did it bring to you? Selfcad can win you up to that carefree time and help in making your models real pieces of art with 10 sculpting brushes. With Selfcad toolset, you also can animate your model and characters, making a dynamic, live and unique videos. Just imagine what a beautiful world you can create. Integrated Slicer is your bridge to reality, and Selfcad can offer you this. There is no need to download your model first and then upload to another app to save a G-code. A few basic or a lot of advanced settings will become your good friends if you are a printer owner. And this is not a full list of benefits and advantages that you may discover in Selfcad world. Become a member of the Selfcad family. Join professionals.